You design what you want out of the universe. Able to partner with 5 other new potential businesses that potentially could increase my own personal net worth. Now, why am I saying this? I'm not saying this to press upon you, but to also show you what's possible.
The biggest work is the mind. It's your greatest ally. The mind would accept anything you give it.
As we all know, yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, today is the present, a gift that's been given to us. What are you going to do with your gift? Come with me.
If you were to tell your mind, I'm a billionaire, I'm a billionaire, I'm a billionaire, I'm a billionaire, you tell your mind long enough, you start believing that.
Based on the figures we calculated, we potentially might be looking at $1 million revenue based on it. That's on a worst case scenario.
Your mind and your vibration will start gradually gravitating you to become that billionaire that you're meant to be. Your mind doesn't know the difference between a lie and a truth. Start working on your mind. Forget about what you're capable enough or what the limitation is. Forget about what the society will think. That statement, that's not realistic. If you have people that are saying that a lot to you, you're in the wrong crowd. No wealthy person will say to you that's not realistic.
What a day, right? What a day. What a day, what a day. Look at this gentleman looking at me going, geez, this guy looks awesome, right?
You had a good day.
It's been a great day. It's been a great day. A lot of deals were done.
Doing pitching a deal?
I did like 3 pitch, partnership, equity, capital raising, and setups. So I did a fair bit, and potentially I'm getting like about 3 startup businesses, 2 partnership, and 1 potential white label business as well.
That's a great day.
It's been a great day. And based on the figures we calculated, we potentially might be looking at $1 million revenue based on it. That's on a worst case scenario.
Good stuff.
Worst case scenario. So it
Enjoy
could
your
be
evening.
awesome. You too.
I always say this. The only reason why I don't own Australia is because I actually don't believe I can own Australia. That's the truth. If I can convince my mind to truly believe that I can own Australia, in a matter of time, I will own Australia. But I have to believe that first, right? I truly believe it. It's not just saying, oh, I believe it. No, truly believe it. Night and day, like you can feel it, you can smell it, you can touch it.
Guys, as you can hear, it's been a magnificent day, but this is what I always say, putting yourself out there, going out there, listen, hey, you are the captain of your life. You determine in terms of what you want out of life. Don't be a victim of life. You determine, you design what you want out of the universe. When I woke up today, the goal was today I'm going to put myself out there and I'm going to make things happen. What would that look like? Well, I had a strategy, I had a goal, I had a mission in terms of what I wanted to get out of today. And part of the goal of what I wanted to get out of the day was I wanted to meet new people. I wanted to get new partnership. I potentially want to raise capital as well, and also help people in equity, sweat equity, or capital equity into their own ventures as well. So I was able to achieve all that. Was it easy? Definitely not. It wasn't easy. It means you putting yourself out there. It means you being vulnerable in terms of what you want to achieve too as well. Let's backtrack in terms of how today has been. So giving a little quick overview in terms of what's been achieved today. Well, today I've met incredible people, business owners, fresh ideas, people wanting to start up things that doesn't really exist yet, importing opportunities, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to partner with 5 other new potential businesses that potentially could increase my own personal net worth. Now, why am I saying this? I'm not saying this to press upon you, but to also show you what's possible. And all this has happened in one day. So if we were to take an average ratio in here and assume none of these goes through, or only one goes through, that's one potential deal that I got out of today. Does that mean today's a great day? Today is definitely a great day. So guys, listen, my word of advice for those of you watching, those of you listening, you've got a dream, go for it. You've got an idea, go for it. You've got to go for it. Why do I say for you to go for it? Because tomorrow, again, I'll say this again, tomorrow is not promised. So if you have an idea, something you want to do it, when should you do it? Now. There's nothing like right now. There's nothing like today. There's nothing like the present. And that's the reason why they call it the present, because it is a gift. So guys, it's been a great day. Really looking forward to what the future holds. Really looking forward to all the unlimited possibilities that we have around us, and just channeling those positive energy into us. And guys, watch this space. I can't wait to share with you my journey, and all the great things are yet to come. See you soon.